Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks, and this right here is probably my favorite pickup of 2017. I've had a lot of heat come through, a lot of GRs come through, and this one, for being a GR, is gonna be my favorite pickup. So these came out, I think, 2 days before Christmas. I knew I wanted these, and Erin happened to just pick them up for me for Christmas, which was crazy. But they are a Air Vapormax from Nike. She was able to grab these at Foot Locker for me with one of those $20 off VIP coupon things. Got a size 11.5, and I already wore these to work, so they might be a little bit dirty on the bottoms, but these things are fuego. This right here is that white Christmas triple white colorway of the Vapormax, and I love it, man. Let me take the shoe tree out of it because it does look like it's kind of bending it down. But it's just an all-white Vapormax, which is something I've been wanting for a while. They have the pure platinum. I had the OG pair, and it just wasn't cutting it for me. I wanted an all-white pair, and this right here is just amazing. Here's the other shoe right here. It's pretty hard to keep them all white. They did come with like there's like a little black mark under the mudguard on the toe, but you know, it's whatever. It's a white shoe. They're gonna get messed up. It's not that big of a deal. But I just really wanted an all-white shoe, and I think if they get dirty, that's fine. I mean, they're bound to get dirty anyway, but I just really wanted an all-white Vapormax, and she delivered on that. The air unit on it has like that clear look to it. It's not that dark of a blue tint as it was for the platinums, but it does have a semi-blue tint to it. And besides that, just the whole upper is all white Flyknit. The fly wire is white, the swoosh is white. You get no contrast on it, and I love that. I just love all white sneakers, and the Vapormax, like I said, is my favorite shoe of the year, so getting it all white like this is amazing. That newer OG pair just dropped, and I was able to pick that one up online. My store unfortunately didn't get that new OG pair, but I was able to order it with my discount, so I'm not too upset on that. Just have to wait for them to come in to do a review for you guys. And I think what I'm gonna do again is sell my other OG pair once again, because I think these are a little bit too similar to it. The OG pair just has that red swoosh. That new OG pair has like a grayish black mix and a black bubble with the red swoosh, which I just think looks cleaner. So I'm gonna sell the original OG pair again and just keep this one and that new OG. Yeah, once again, overall, I just love this shoe. The Vapormax, like I've said numerous times, is my favorite shoe 2017, and the all-white colorway is just another hit for me. I love the all-black colorway too, that triple Nior. I didn't pick that one up because I already have the original triple black, so I just kept that one. But this one, definitely my favorite. So once again, thank you to Erin for picking these up for me. I'm absolutely in love with these. These are amazing. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this. If you're even a fan of the Vapormax. Like I said, favorite shoe, and the all-white colorway is just another favorite of mine, so throwing that two together was a plus. Hey, but that is going to be it for this one, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.